When you first open Excel, the screen can look confusing. In this quick tutorial, you will learn what the ribbon, tabs, and toolbar are, and where to click when you need a tool. Let's start with the big picture. This grid is where your worksheet area. This is where you type your data. The tools at the top are part of the Excel interface. This top area is where you find most of the commands you will use. This wide command area is called the ribbon. Think of it as Excel main control center. Almost everything you do in Excel starts here. Formatting cells, inserting charts, working with formulas, and managing data all use tools from the ribbon. At the top of the ribbon, you will see tabs. Tabs organize data. The Home tab has common tools like font, alignment, number formatting, and cell styles. The Insert tabs where you add things like charts, tables, picture, and shape. The Data tab is where you find tools for sorting, filtering, and working with data. So, if a tool looks like it disappeared, it may just be on a different tab. Inside each tab, Excel organizes tools into smaller sections called groups. For example, on the Home tab, this is Font group. Let's try a simple example. Click cell A1, type monthly budget. Now, make sure cell A1 is selected. Go to Home tab, find the font group, and click Bold. That button is a command. A command is a single button that performs an action. Now, let's see why tabs matter. I will add a few simple numbers so we can use the Insert tab. Select the small data range from A1 to B4. To create a chart, don't stay on the Home tab. Click Insert, then choose Recommend Chart or any chart option. In this tutorial, I choose Recommended Charts. Choose the chart as you want, like a pie chart. Click OK. This is why learning tabs help. Each tab gives you a different set of tools. Now, look at the top left corner. This small area is called the Quick Access Toolbar. It gives you the fastest access to common commands like save, undo, and redo. Yours may look slightly different, and that is okay. For beginners, undo is especially useful. If something changes by mistake, click undo to go back one step. Here is one common beginner mistake. Before you use a formatting command, select a cell or rank first. If you don't select anything, Excel may not know what you want to change. Another common issue is the ribbon disappearing. If you only see tabs name, don't worry, the ribbon is just collapsed. Double-click any tab like Home tab to bring the ribbon back. You can also press Ctrl plus F1 to hide or show it. Quick recap. The worksheet area is where your data goes. The ribbon is the command area at the top. Tabs organize tools by task. Groups organize related commands. And the quick access toolbar gives you fast shortcuts. Continue building your Excel skills with Excel Fundamental playlist or watch the next recommended tutorial. Subscribe to XcelTips for more simple, practical Excel lessons.